Good morning, Neville and Linda. Let's take a look at your home, kind of see where we are. I'm going to give you a video tour through and around the home, so give you an idea of where we are on your home. So, as you see across the street, that's your home, well underway. Let's just walk across and take a look through the home. There's a little activity going on in there, so hopefully I can get around and give you guys a pretty good idea of where we are construction wise. Of course, we got this is all rough grade, so we'll give you this. This will be final graded here at some point and get the driveway in. But let's just walk through. Looks like right now they're in the middle of doing the electrical rough ends there. So we'll walk through. That's the garage. We got stuff going in. Let's go in the front here. Framing is done. As soon as we get the electrical in and the plumbing and get all of that past inspections, there you go. Then they'll go in with the insulation. But coming along nicely. Okay, let's walk out the back here. And of course, all of this in the back will be sodded. You're across the street from the mailboxes. And the pool, so be an easy walk to the pool there. Okay. So hopefully that helps give you an idea of where we are construction-wise. Okay, well, it won't be long now, so let me know if you have any questions. Thanks and have a great day.